Hi, my YouTube family. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today, we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today, I'm going to do the zodiac sign Capricorn, and that's what's left. I have done all 11 of them, so now the time for Capricorn. I should have done it long time ago. I had a request long time ago, but sorry, I missed it. And then I realized recently that I'm missing that, so here it goes. Capricorns are the 10th zodiac sign. That's for mountain goat, and it's all about hard work. The born under these signs, they put in a very strong hard work, whole day work to survive, and they do believe in hard work and they do it happily. So Capricorns are very ambitious, determined, and will do anything to get the job done. And it's the time is December 22 to January 20. Zodiac sign is sea goat, symbol sea goat. And constellation is Capricorn. Zodiac element is earth. Zodiac equality is cardinal, and sign ruler is Saturn, so that's why they work hard. And detriment in moon, and exhalation Mars, fall in Jupiter. Now, Capricorn personality. Capricorns holds really grudges for all their life. Like they are the sign. If you do something to them, if you say something to them, they will never ever forgive you or forget. They're very determined person. No matter what, if they want to do something, they made up their mind, they will do it regardless of anything or anybody. And they like honesty in people. They're very loyal and honest, so they don't like dishonest people. And they are, even though they seem to be very boring and like to stay alone, introvert, but they still have friends, few friends, good friends, and they take friendship very seriously, and they'll go to any extent for a friend. Like they will really do anything needed, even take revenge from other people for a friend. And they're like warm-hearted, good people. Once you get to know them, once they can trust you, they can be a long life friend who you can count on when you need. And Capricorns are like, if they like you, they will make you their friend, and you can tell by their face. And if they don't like you, you can tell, like they will clearly saw it. They're very confident, constructive, concise, and they take a job, work very hard, and make sure they finish it, get the job done before they take a second one. They're very practical, very responsible, very disciplined, very responsible. So if you make sure, if you're friends with them, you know that they don't like fakery or lies, so don't do that, and appreciate them. They like to be appreciated, and that just makes them happy for what they do. And they might look like very rough and boring outside, but inside they're soft and really nice people. They take care of their own people really good, work very hard for their family, and they're like family people. Once they get married, they do have family, and they take care of the family and go places, plan things, do things. But when they're sad, they're like in the moment, like very sad. They will listen to many sad songs and post it all over the social media. And the Capricorn going through a sad phase. And then you can just go and give them a hug And then when they're happy, you will know because they'll post it all over that they're happy. But they don't like to share their personal life that much, but once in a while they might share something. And so they really help out their friends and family, and they're very independent person. So their sign is the goat, and their earth sign, and they love nature, being in nature. And the rule by the planet Saturn, how Saturn represents honesty, hard work, and loyalty, and also taking care of the sick and the elderly. So they're compatible with Cancer, Virgo, Taurus, Scorpio, and to some extent they're compatible with sometimes maybe some other sign too, but it depends on how much they like the other sign. But they're not compatible at all with Gemini, Aries, or Leo. And their lucky colors are brown and green. Lucky stone is garnet. Lucky day is Saturday because it's ruled by Saturn. Lucky metal is lead. Lucky number 8, which is Saturn's number. Capricorn is like, they might seem very boring from outside and introvert, but once you get to know them, they do go to some few, like they have few friends, so they go to very close friends, some party and have a good time. They have sense of humor, they'll make you laugh, but then again, if you make them angry, they will really make do evil comments, very rude comments, so you will feel sad. So they are not that boring, and they are incredibly loyal to the partners, the people they're married to, and they expect loyalty. And once they don't get it, like if you go on their bad side, they will not forgive you. So try not to go on their bad side. And they take relationship very seriously and committing themselves to their partner. Once they find the partner trustworthy and loyal, they're very private individual. They don't talk about their problems outside or discuss about it. They never reveal what they like, what they dislike, what they like going to do, what they're not going to do. They are very secret, and they are not open to new friends or new people. It takes a little bit time for them to trust that people. Capricorns, they bottle up everything inside, so when they get angry, it's a big blast of fire because they bottle up. So sometimes they do feel very sad, depressed, can't take it. When they feel like they can't take it anymore, then they might spill a little bit, but not so much. The way they want things to work, that's the way they want like their way. And so they are very patient and dedicated, and they're committed, determined to do any job so they can get to their destination, their career, and they're excellent in their going to finishing their career and work, because they are like workaholics. They like to work, and they succeed in most of the things they join because they like to see it to that end. And they're very high standards. They're practical, and they something they like, they really do it good. So everything has to be very neat, nice, just right. Like their workspace have to be very picky. Workplace has to be very neat. The people they live with has to be very neat and disciplined. They hate to be going somewhere late. So if you're always late, they just don't want to go with you, and then they will nag about you. So Capricorns take a proactive approach when something is bothering them. They do not forgive people easily if you do something bad, and they like to go to any place before time, not at exact time, because they know exact time means late. So if you are somebody who just can't keep, especially Virgos, cannot do anything on time, always gonna be late 30 minutes. I don't know, sometimes people say Virgos are best match for Capricorn, but I don't understand how the Virgos always late and the Capricorns hate to be late. They are very sarcastic, like they are very punctual, logical people, very hard working, and they hate gossiping people, wasting time. They just don't know, they don't know you, they don't want to talk about you, waste their time. They're very ambitious, they have big dreams and they want to achieve it. But then sometimes when everything in this world, if we want, we can't just achieve it because we want it. Like there are things we can achieve it, there are things we can achieve it. It is what it is. But they get very sad and depressed. They cannot achieve it, they have to achieve it. And like if they are mad at you, they could be very cruel. They use like verbally become very cruel. Their anger is too much, and sometimes they say painful things. They are good at reading people. You cannot lie to them. If you're lying to them, they will know that you're lying to them, and they can see people and know a lot of things about them. So they know who they should talk to, who they shouldn't, who they can let in their family circle, and who they wouldn't. So they actually know people, and they just sometimes they want to do things so bad. Like it will be like for other sign, they feel like everything in life we cannot just achieve it because we want it. Some things are achievable, some things are not. But Capricorn does not get that. Like they want it, they want to go to the extreme extent to get it. If they don't get it, they will be very sad and upset. So this was a little video about Capricorn. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you with many more. Bye-bye. Thank you. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.